Hello, hi, Namaskar. I am Dr. Pramila Pandey. Today we go for some spiritual talks today, some questions and answers.
Good evening, Dr. Pandey. You are a big spiritual expert. So, this evening we would like to discuss some questions on spiritualism. Firstly, starting with what is spiritualism? What, according to you, is spiritualism?
Spiritualism is the science of the spirit. What is a spirit is that it is that we all have two bodies, one physical bodies and one spiritual bodies. And then when we discuss physical body, of course we know that all in medical science we talk about the physical body only. But when we talk of a spirit, then it becomes the spirituality.
And why is it necessary in today's world?
It is very necessary today's world because we see so much of suffering all around. There is so much of pain, suffering, इतनी ज़्यादा परेशानियाँ हैं लोगों को. So to get rid of all these problems, everywhere there is problem, mental problem, physical problems, and physical problems are also associated actually with the mental problems only. And when we go towards spirituality, all these problems we can get rid of all these problems.
What is the essence of spirituality, according to you?
The essence of spirituality, we have to answer some questions like मैं कौन हूँ, who am I and what am I, मैं क्या हूँ, मैं कौन हूँ और मैं क्या हूँ, या you can say that हम कौन हैं और हम क्या हैं. We are all part and parcel of that super consciousness. What is super consciousness? In Sanskrit it is known as Shashwat Chetna. What is then consciousness? Consciousness is that we are all the time aware of our existence, our surroundings. एंड हमें इस बात का हमेशा एहसास है कि हम जीवित हैं, हम इस दुनिया में हैं, हमारा अस्तित्व है इस दुनिया में. एंड दैट इज़ नोन एज द consciousness. What is super consciousness then? Super consciousness is that the eternal, Shashwat, means it has no beginning and it has no end. It is always there. It is always present. That becomes eternal or that becomes Shashwat. And we are all a part and parcel of the super consciousness. But when we are this part and parcel of super consciousness, why we don't realize it? We don't realize because we have so many problems to distract us. We have so many other things in the world, so that we forget about the existence of this truth. But we do realize sometimes when we can distract ourselves from this problem, we do realize that we are actually the part and parcel of that super consciousness. And when we do realize this, that is the definition of the self-realization. When we do realize that we are all a part and parcel of that super consciousness, then that process only known as self-realization, or what we call Atma Sakshatkar.
Okay. So, for today, what is your take home message for all your viewers?
We don't realize that we are part and parcel of that. In fact, we feel that we are immortal and we will never die. Every day we witness all the deaths, all the destruction, all these whatever disturbances you see all around. There's so much of jealousy, emotional upheavals, depression, and even that all sorts of problems is there in the world. And the disparity between all the religions and all these things, they occur because of this, because we don't understand what we are and what actually we have come into this world. We do not realize that, and that is why there is so much of disparity and disturbances in the world. So there is a very interesting anecdote in Mahabharata also. There is a dialogue between the Yaksh and the Yudhishthir when he was in the forest, when he had gone to when Pandavas, they were living in the forest. He met with this Yaksh, and Yaksh asked him that I'll let you go once you answer all my questions. And then Yaksh asked him certain questions, and these questions, it was that what is the most amazing thing in this world? And then the Yudhishthir answered that we witness death and destruction every day, yet we do not realize that we are going to meet the same fate. that the same disaster will befall on us also. We will also die one day. We do not realize that death is so near. No one knows when the death is coming. One moment we are alive, and the second moment we all are gone. So we do not realize this thing. That is the most amazing thing in this world. So we have to realize that whatever we do, even we do so many things. We often we kill each other. Often we are jealous of each other. We try to destroy others. So when we know that all these things are temporary, we change our nature. The basic human nature changes. We all, and a self-realized person is free of all suffering and bondages, and he of comfort also. And so this will be this cannot happen if we practice detachment. Then only it can happen, and this will happen. This detachment, it cannot come without spiritualism. So the role of spiritualism in this today's world is very, very important. We have to realize that and make this world a better world to live. Thank you.